Today we are going to take this beautiful 2014 Harley Softail Slim for a test drive. This is a bike that is currently for sale, February 10th of 2025. Got 11,000 miles on the odometer on this thing. Stock pipes with the baffles removed. Great running bike, needs nothing. Brand new rear tire, ready to go. Let's take this thing for a ride.
Bike be acting up again. Save my day, my best friend.
Well, let's talk about this bike. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this thing is a 2014 Harley Softail Slim with 11,000 miles on it. Very good shape for its age. Low miles. The bike feels great, rides great. Got good tires on it, needs nothing, ready to ride. Does come with a quick detached windshield. The exhaust is slightly louder than stock. It appears that the baffles have been removed on the stock exhaust, making this thing sound great, but not be overly loud. I think the thing that does it for me about this bike is it looks like a classic bobber. Got kind of the bigger front end, kind of the narrow rear end, low seat, minimalistic look, mostly black. I don't know, I'm just into that. Not usually a Harley guy, but I really like the looks of this bike. I just got on it a second ago, so let's talk about the motor. Motor is the 103 twin cam. Great running motor. Great for just running around town, or you can even do some touring with this thing. It has almost 100 foot-pounds of torque and almost 80 horsepower. And it's a great motor. It pulls great, runs smooth. And these 103 twin cams are actually known for their durability as well. As I'm sitting here thinking about the bike, I don't really have too many bad things to say about it. You know, they can be a little bit higher on the price tag, but they are Harley, and they're definitely cheaper than some of the bigger touring Harleys, like the Ultra Classics or the other touring bikes. One thing I'm not a fan of the bike, and I guess you get used to it after you ride it for a while, is the speedometer. You see it shows 1 through 12 there on the speedometer. You have to multiply that by 10. I don't know, to me it's just not super intuitive. I guess probably because we don't have that on a lot of bikes, but it does work, and you do get used to it after a few rides. Alright, we're at one of my common turnaround spots for my test rides, and I like turning around here because it puts me at the bottom of a big hill. It gives me a chance to really hammer on the thing and see what they'll do going up a hill. And like I said, these 103s, man, they got plenty of torque. It just keeps climbing and climbing. It doesn't have any problems. Just getting after it. It's fun. Bikes are low. They're nimble. Just a really fun bike to ride. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Harley Softail Slim. They've got a good bike here. It's got great looks, in my opinion. Great power playing in this frame. Softail, this thing rides really smooth, really comfortable, while still keeping that cool bobber hardtail look. Fuel injection makes things super simple, easy to maintain. Belt drive's also really smooth on it. Clutch is easy to pull. Had a customer sitting on this bike today. They commented on how easy the clutch pull is on it, unlike my older Ultra Classic that I've got at the shop. Just a great all-around bike. If you guys are local to me, check out the bike, still available. Come on into the shop, check it out. If not, keep your eye out for one of these. If you guys like that kind of bobber look, man, this bike's for you. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. We're going to wrap it up. We'll see you in the next one.